Well, hello there. This is Sean and Stacy's chassis. We've been working on restoring for a while, and we thought it might be kind of fun to try starting it up for the first time, filming it. There's no gas in it. The exhaust is all nice and clean. This thing has never been started. I sure hope it starts. So here we go. We're going to hook up the ignition. And try firing it up for the very first time. Here we go. Countdown, 1, 2, 3. Now that's what I call a startup. Thanks for watching.